In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Start by going into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. If you didn't change anything in your shortcut menu, you don't have a location shortcut here. To add it, hit Edit at the bottom. Scroll and tap on blue plus icon at the top right corner of Location Services shortcut. Then swipe up, hold your shortcut and place it in the best place for you. Let go and save your changes thanks to this checkmark at the top right corner. Now tap on your location shortcut and select Close in the pop-up to switch it off. So when I go back, I can see that my shortcut turned gray. That means that location is off, but you can always switch it on by clicking on it until it's white. Quick tip, you can also go into Settings, scroll to click on Location section available here, and manage it by tapping on this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!